Hi, my name's Gene Weatherington. I'm a certified technician at DePaula Chevrolet. We're here today to go over the proper techniques of jump starting a vehicle with a dead battery while we're out in the elements. A couple of major points you need. Number one, safety goggles. Very important to wear because you're dealing with battery acid. So we'll put those on, and the next is gloves. You don't want the battery acid to wind up on your hands as well. First thing we're going to do is show you the proper setup procedure. This will work with a standard jump box or another vehicle if you're using jumper cables. Right now we're going to grab our jump box, and as you can see, you got red and black. The red goes to positive, the black goes to negative. On the bad battery, you do not put the negative on the battery. You don't want an explosion to happen or anything like that, so the negative on the bad battery goes on a ground on the engine. So now I'm going to hook that up right now, and we'll jump start the vehicle. On this particular vehicle, we have a red cover on our positive cable. If your vehicle is not equipped with a cover, on the battery itself there's a positive and a negative. So the red cable will go on to the positive end, and as I said before, on the bad vehicle, your negative cable does not go onto the battery because you don't want an explosion. So you can find any metal unpainted part on your vehicle and you can hook it up to that. Like I said, the jump box right here is acting as another vehicle. On the other vehicle, if you're using jumper cables, you hook them directly to the battery. And we are all hooked up. We should be able to start the vehicle right now. As you can see, the vehicle starts right away. Okay, so after we get the vehicle started, there's a proper technique of disconnecting it. You always want to disconnect the negative battery cable first. Reason for that is you don't want to have any arcing to happen if you have a battery acid leak or anything like that. So you disconnect the negative, disconnect the positive, your vehicle is started. You can drive it over to DePaula Chevrolet to have me fix it. Thanks for your time and have a great day.